Hi everyone. Today we are going to do tutorial of how to make a subscribe button. First open Kinemaster app. If you don't have the app you can download from the description given below. After opening the app you can see a plus button on the screen. You can click on it and select the 16:9 ratio. Then you can see a media option on the right side of the screen. Click on that, then select the subscribe button video which has been given in the description. You can download from there. After importing the video you can expand the video little bit, still one number is visible. Now click on the layer option on our right side and then press media. Now select the logo of our channel and click on it. Then bring the green screen video to 2.814 or around 2.800. Then again press on the layer option and press the media option and import the title of our channel. Now you can adjust or resize our logo and title to the given white square. After adjusting logo and title you can extend the logo layer and title layer to full. After doing this, click on the logo layer, and you can see the option in animation. Click on that, then scroll down little bit and click on the slide up option. And you can see the speed option down. Change the speed to 0.8. Now same as it is, click on the title layer, and you can see the option in animation. Click on that, then scroll down little bit and click on the slide up option. And you can see the speed option down. Change the speed to 0.8. After doing this you can play the video and check once. Then again click on the logo layer and you can see the option out animation. Click on that, then scroll down little bit and click on the slide down option, and you can see the speed option down. The speed of the video be 1, don't change it to 0.8. Then again click on the title layer option, and you can see the option out animation. Click on that, then scroll down little bit and click on the slide down option, and you can see the speed option. The speed of the video be 1, don't change it to 0.8. After doing this, play the video and check once. Then you can see a arrow mark upward. Click on that. Then increase the video capacity from low to high. Then select the resolution to 1080p and frame rate to 30. Then press the export button and export the video. Now I will show how to set the subscribe button in the video. Same as it is, click on the plus button, and press the 16:9 ratio, then select the video for which you should add the subscribe button video. I am choosing a background photo from Kinemaster, but you can select any video. After selecting the video, click on the layer option and import the video which we have created first. Then adjust the size of the video to full screen. After that, press on the video layer, and on the right side scroll down and press the chroma key and enable it. Now play the video and check once. So after seeing the video you can export it. Now I will play the video and show you. So that's it for today. If you liked the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon for more updates.